What up, YouTube? We back at it again. I got my little baby here. It's my second one. Her name is Athena. Hey, Athena. Hey, look. Say what's up to the camera. Say, yo, subscribe. Subscribe. Like the video. Where's it? Over here? There she go. There she go. I got the Durango. Got the Durango here. About to go. We're already running the app. You know, you guys, I told you I do stuff like different sources of income. Later on today, I gotta go pick up the hatch because I'm working on a hatch right now. The hatch is getting well, we thought the motor. Well, he thought the motor was blue. The mechanic. I told him no. He was about to try to put a new engine in there. I was like, nah. Check the head and the timing and all that, and maybe it just needs a tune-up because the car's been sitting for a while. He checked it, the motor's good. He said it only needs a tune-up. You know, man, I know my things, bro. I know when a car's bad or not. Anyways, so yeah, there's that. So we gotta go pick that car up. It's a hatch. It's an EK hatch from the year 2000. It's automatic, sadly, but it's still EK hatch. And this girl's sliding off of me, so give me a second. Let me pick her up. All right, so like I was saying, so little girl, she wearing a tutu. Look, wearing a little tutu. And so yeah, we're gonna go pick up the EK hatch later. I'm in a Durango, as you guys can see. I'll record when I go pick up the EK hatch. Show you guys a little walk around. We're gonna restore that basically factory. It needs body work, paint work, because it has a lot of rust. So I'm gonna be doing all the body work. I'm gonna paint that car or wrap it. That car's gonna get everything. The same thing with this car here. I forgot to tell you guys about that. That's mine too. That's a 2004 Accord. It's a manual. It's a K2488, I believe, motor. Has headers. It's basically full bolt-on car. Got nice rims and shit. I'm gonna fix that one a little bit because it needs a little bit of TLC, and I'm gonna sell that. I do flip cars too. I forgot to add down to that last video. I just buy cars, I sell them, but I fix them first. Make them better condition, then I buy them, and then I sell them. So that's, I already sold a four-door. I had a four-door version of that like maybe 2 weeks ago. I sold it, and then I have this now that I'm gonna fix up and sell. This one's dope because it's rare. It's a manual, coupe, really nice car. I might lower it because I got springs for it and all that. But anyways, just stay tuned. You'll see. It's a lot coming. I gotta show you my app right now so you can see I'm not playing. I also gotta work later. My job around 4 or 5 o'clock. I gotta show up on my job. But you guys can see right here. I got the DoorDash app on already. I already got 2 orders that I gotta go pick up, so you guys can see real quick. 2 orders I gotta go pick up in DoorDash. I told you guys I do a little bit of everything. Everything, literally. DoorDash. There's another app called Roadie. So what I do is I combine apps. So I combine incomes. You can go on the Roadie app, and then I'll show you guys that a little bit later. But yeah, just stay tuned. Right now I'm just gonna hustle in the Durango, make some money, and then we get up and continue on the video. We're gonna keep vlogging. So real quick, this is the DoorDash app. Obviously we got 2 orders to go pick up, but you go over here, I got my Roadie app. What I'm gonna do is wherever I drop off at, I'm gonna go pick another order. So let's say, for example, if I wanted that one, it tells you how much they're gonna pay you, whatever, blah blah blah, for doing drop-offs. So you I basically combine apps. I'm also waiting for other apps like Amazon Flex. I'm waiting for them to approve me on that. I got Instacart and all that shit, so I'll be combining apps and just make some money. And that's my other baby right there. Look at that pretty baby right there. Well, I gotta move this out the way. Look at that pretty baby. But anyways, yeah, let's just continue throughout the day and see what we get in. I got the 2 orders here. Now we're gonna go drop them off, and then we got that's coilovers that's gonna go on the EK hatch too. just finished doing the DoorDash orders, and now I'm over here going on my way to do a Roadie order. Yeah, it's about $60. So I already made like $30 on the DoorDash, and now I'm doing a Roadie, going to pick up some pharmacy stuff. On my way over there now. Right now I'm in the highway, as you guys can see, stuck in traffic. It's gonna take us, don't know how you guys can see it because the camera sucks, but 30 minutes for the first drop off. I have like a whole stack, 4 deliveries picked up from the pharmacy. So yeah, we're gonna be in the highway for a little while. Still haven't got a call for the EK hatch, but find out in a minute. But hustling, and right now it's 3:13. I don't know why this camera can't focus. 3:13. Hopefully I could get back after doing all these orders by 5 o'clock, because I want to get to work around 5:30 at least max to my regular job. So yeah, let's see what happens. Of course, we gotta put gas. It's about to be 80 bucks. It's a 24-gallon tank. 80 bucks for 350. Still on the highway. Got the sexy Durango here. Boom. Thumbnail. So, stuck in traffic trying to head back. Probably got like another 20-30 minutes before I gotta go. I'm already late for work. It's supposed to be there at like 5. It's already 6. But I made on the Roadie app alone. You guys can see it right there. So it's the focus. 57.46 on the Roadie app. That's today. And then on DoorDash I made an extra 25.25. So you add that up, and then later on tonight after I leave work I might do lyft for an hour. So that might be like another 40 bucks hopefully. We'll see. But heading back now, and the hatch we're gonna pick it up tomorrow because for some reason he ain't freaking finished the car and he called us late. You know what I'm saying? He answered late, called late. So, and it's already almost 6 o'clock and he closed at 6 o'clock, so we ain't gonna make it. So tomorrow we'll pick up the hatch. So look at that track hawk on the way back. We're almost back, but look at that track hawk, bro. It's sick. That shit sounds so good. Oh man. Goes, man. Go. Alright. So you guys can see I ain't joking. I got the app on right now. I'm just waiting on some rides. That's the Lyft. Got some good promotions, like $3.50 extra, $4.50 extra. Yeah, I'm just waiting on the ride. I have a filter on because I was trying to stay in the area, but I'm thinking I'm gonna remove the filter. Guess I could get something already. Oh, look at the time. You guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see that. This camera doesn't focus good. 2:55 in the morning. You can see the same time on my phone. 2:55 in the morning. That's how the Lyft app looks, and we're online. So yeah, don't know if I'm gonna continue this vlog tomorrow when I pick up the EK hatch. I might do that, so I might do a ride with you guys, show y'all when I get an order, and then show y'all when I drop somebody off, and that's about it. Because I'm not really gonna record people coming in my car and all that. I don't feel comfortable doing it, and I don't want to make people uncomfortable. So yeah, I'm gonna probably do this, like I said, to make an extra $20, $30, whatever. So that way I could get to my $300 quota for the day. And then tomorrow I'll pick up the camera, and that will be in this video, me going to the EK hatch. And then I'll continue, basically that will be the end of the video when I pick up the hatch tomorrow. And then I'll continue on the vlog for another video. So you have to wait, stay tuned for the next video. If you want, so whatever I do tomorrow, etc., how the car is and the hatches, details and all that. So this will be the end of this. I don't want to make this video too long. It's probably gonna be like a 12-minute video, 15-minute video. So still waiting on a ride. Let's see what happens. I'll pick up the camera when I get a ride because I don't want to make it too long of the video. So yeah, you guys can see, you gotta hustle, manifest, and just have a positive mindset and just go out there and go for it. There's a lot of ways to make money. This is just one way. This is how I do it because I'm a person that has a lot of energy. And after this, I go home, I'm gonna work out, take a shower, and then I'll go edit this video and have it posted. That's how dedicated I am. And I only slept maybe like 4 or 5 hours today. So, and then tomorrow I'm probably gonna sleep like 4 or 5 hours again and do this the whole week. You know what I'm saying? That's just what I do. Got the car here. Got the car back. It's finally running. My camera died. well, not died. The memory sucks. Restored. No cierra.
Ya nomás cuando abras ahí tienes que meter bien.
¿Pero abre así o no? No abre.
Ya no sirve el latches.
Sí, pero ¿cómo lo puedo abrir? Just driving a hatch. Automatic, obviously, but still. She only got 108,000 miles on it. Yeah, they got it sound like a little got some work done to it, bro. Got some work done to it. I think it needed a starter though, because it took a little while to start on. We out here. So yeah, this is the car, guys. We're gonna restore it. Basically the next day. But just wanted to show you guys the car one more time. We're gonna fully clean this car, restore the whole car. Stay tuned for the next video. Basically, I was racing a Tesla plate on my Durango RT. That was crazy, but not racing, but like cutting up in traffic. That shit was fun. See if this car wants to turn on now. Come on, girl. You got it. All right. So basically, stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, guys. That helps my YouTube channel with the algorithm and stuff. We're gonna make this car great again. My Accord, Durango, we're gonna fix it up a little. We're gonna make everything, all the cars look great, and everything's gonna look fire. Don't forget that you guys need your car detailed or anything, you can hit me up on my Instagram or you just hit me up in the comments or whatever you want. But my Instagram is at Adonis_driven or wrench_details LLC. Hit me up in one of those inboxes so we can schedule in for a car detail. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.